love cars, all my friends love cars, I wanted to do something with them. After working at a performance shop and seeing the ups and downs of the business, I decided to do my own thing, and it's what I love doing. I'm not just saying this, I honestly treat everyone's car like it's my own. All the details, even where you can't see it. It's clean, it's functional, it's not gonna break, it's built to last. A lot of people think that we only do performance, we only do race car stuff. We work on a ton of street cars, a lot of show cars. We do wheels and tires, service like oil changes, fixing leaks, part installs, upgrading suspension, brakes, metal fabrication, engine swaps, engine builds, custom wiring. We're really good at troubleshooting. We have a keen eye and lots of experience. And we would not be able to sleep at night knowing we cut corners, did someone wrong. We put out quality work that we're proud to put our name on. I'm a car enthusiast. I like building them, driving them, and everyone that works here is the exact same way. They work on cars during the day and they work on their own cars after hours. That's a big quality that I look for in people to work with and friends of mine. It feels really good to come from working in a home garage to a shop with a little over 2,000 square feet, and within 2.5 years, now we're in 3 times the space. We're growing and I don't see it stopping anytime soon.